Slag powder is also known as mineral powder, granulated blast furnace slag powder, Chinese ore powder, is mainly used in concrete admixtures, which are produced by specialized factories and added to concrete when it is made. Do you know the specific operation process of the production of mineral powder ball press? The hydraulic station of mineral powder ball press presses down, opens the bucket elevator of the feeding bin, opens the buried scraper conveyor of the feeding elevator, opens the ball loose material return screw conveyor, and opens the main engine. Open the auxiliary machine, open the vibrating feeder feeding the ball press, and open the spiral gate of the silo. Clean up sundries and fix bolts before starting. Check whether all bolts of the machine are loose or fall off. After removing the load, the ball press is allowed to start.